Imagine cruising the open highway with all the comfort of a luxury home right behind the driver's seat. For some truckers, that's not a dream. It's daily life. In a world where space is limited and every inch matters, these custom-built semi-trucks completely redefine what it means to live on the road. We're talking about full kitchens, king-size beds, private bathrooms, lounge areas, entertainment systems, and high-end finishes, all inside working heavy-duty rigs built to haul serious loads. These aren't motorhomes pretending to be trucks. They're powerful machines with real torque, real payload capacity, and sleepers so advanced they rival upscale apartments. Let's take a ride through some of the most extreme custom sleeper builds ever created. Peterbilt 379, Smith's Rolling Fleet. When you talk about legendary long-nose American trucks, the Peterbilt 379 always enters the conversation. But this particular build from Smith's Rolling Fleet takes that legacy and stretches it, literally and figuratively, into something extraordinary. This isn't just a restored classic or a lightly customized rig. It's one of the largest and most commanding trucks in their entire lineup, built to dominate both the highway and the show circuit. At its heart sits a massive 15-litre engine producing close to 600 horsepower and well over 1,850 pounds-foot of torque. Paired with a traditional 18-speed manual transmission, this truck is designed for drivers who want full control over every shift. It's not just about power, it's about precision. Whether pulling heavy freight across long interstate stretches or climbing demanding grades, this 379 delivers the kind of performance that made the model famous in the first place. But what truly separates this truck from the rest is the extended sleeper conversion. Measuring over 160 inches in length, the sleeper transforms the 379 from a workhorse into a rolling luxury suite. Step inside, and it feels more like a high-end cabin than a commercial vehicle. The living space features a large, comfortable bed designed for true rest after long hauls. Surrounding it are custom-built cabinets finished in rich dark wood tones, providing both elegance and practical storage. A full refrigerator and microwave make meal prep easy on the road, while a mounted television and premium sound system create a relaxing entertainment zone. Reclining chairs add to the comfort, giving the driver and passenger a true lounge area instead of just a bunk. And yes, it includes a fully enclosed bathroom. That means no more relying solely on truck stops. With its private setup, this 379 offers independence and convenience that most drivers only dream of. The interior lighting is enhanced with carefully placed LED accents, creating a warm, upscale atmosphere at night. Every detail inside reflects thoughtful craftsmanship, from the stitching in the upholstery to the polished hardware on the cabinetry. On the outside, the truck is impossible to ignore. The stretched frame gives it a powerful, elongated stance. Chrome dominates the exterior, from the wheels to the vertical exhaust stacks, catching sunlight during the day and glowing under show lights at night. The custom two-tone paint scheme adds depth and personality, reinforcing its nickname, the Rolling Beast. And despite its show-quality finish, this truck isn't just built to sit behind velvet ropes. It runs real miles. It hauls real loads. Kenworth W990 with 261 ARI Legacy sleeper. And now we arrive at the absolute titan of custom sleeper builds, the Kenworth W990 with 261 ARI Legacy sleeper. This isn't just a truck, it's a rolling luxury estate built on one of the boldest platforms in modern trucking. From the outside alone, it commands attention. With a staggering 445-inch wheelbase and a jaw-dropping 261-inch ARI Legacy sleeper, this rig stretches farther than most people think possible for a highway tractor. That's more than 21 feet of dedicated living space, not trailer space, just the sleeper itself. When this machine pulls into a truck stop or show, it doesn't blend in, it dominates. Under that long, sculpted hood sits the Cummins X15, a 15-litre powerhouse producing 605 horsepower and more than 2,000 pound-feet of torque. This is serious performance engineered for serious miles. Paired with an 18-speed Eaton manual transmission, it gives the driver full command of every gear, every climb, and every heavy pull. Despite its enormous size, this W990 isn't just about looks. It's built to haul and handle the demands of long-haul freight with confidence. But the true magic begins when you step inside the sleeper. This isn't a bunk area. It's a fully functional luxury apartment. The kitchen alone rivals many small homes. There's a full-size refrigerator, stovetop, microwave, expansive counter space, and real cabinetry, not plastic compartments. Heater belt, a built-in dining table creates a proper eating area, turning meals on the road into something that actually feels normal and comfortable. Move further inside, and you'll find a king-size bed designed for genuine rest, not just a quick overnight stop. Recliners face a large flat-screen television, paired with a premium audio system that delivers theatre-quality sound. After a long day behind the wheel, this space becomes a private lounge in the middle of anywhere. And then there's the bathroom, fully enclosed, complete with a ceramic toilet and a separate shower. No compromises. No shared facilities. Total independence. Dark wood finishes run throughout the interior, accented by soft, ambient lighting that gives the entire space a warm, upscale feel. Dual-zone climate control ensures that both the cab and sleeper remain comfortable in any weather, whether crossing desert heat or mountain cold. What's truly remarkable is how seamlessly this luxury integrates into a working truck platform. The air suspension and reinforced chassis are engineered to support the extended structure without sacrificing stability. Even at full length, it rides smoothly and maintains highway composure. Because of its extreme size, some truck stops have reportedly had to adjust parking accommodations to handle builds like this. It's that long. It's that substantial. The Kenworth W990, with 261 ARI Legacy sleeper, isn't just pushing boundaries, it's redefining them. It represents the peak of what custom sleeper design can achieve when power, craftsmanship, and vision come together. For drivers who have truly committed their lives to the road, this isn't just transportation, it's home, built without compromise. The Peterbilt 389 has long been recognized as a modern-day legend in the trucking world. With its long nose, bold grille, and unmistakable stance, it carries the spirit of classic American highways while delivering the reliability today's drivers demand. But this fully customized build takes the 389 far beyond standard expectations, pushing it into true elite territory. From the very first glance, you can tell this truck means business. The stretched chassis, polished chrome accents, and perfectly detailed paintwork give it a commanding presence. It looks like it belongs on the cover of a trucking magazine, yet it's built to run real miles, not just sit under show lights. Under the hood lies the heart of this beast, a Cummins X 1515-litre engine producing up to 605 horsepower and more than 2,000 Taubseftig torque. That kind of power isn't just impressive on paper. It translates into confident pulling strength across mountain passes, heavy freight loads, and endless interstate stretches. Paired with a traditional 18-speed manual transmission, this setup is made for drivers who appreciate full control. Every shift is deliberate. Every gear change connects the driver directly to the machine. It's raw mechanical precision blended with modern engineering. But while the performance is powerful, the sleeper is where this 389 truly transforms. The extended sleeper conversion turns the truck into a comfortable, road-ready home. Inside, you'll find a spacious main bed designed for proper rest after long driving hours. Surrounding it are custom-built cabinets crafted in rich wood finishes that give the interior a warm, upscale atmosphere. Storage is intelligently laid out, ensuring everything has its place, from clothing to cookware. A built-in microwave and refrigerator allow for easy meal preparation, reducing reliance on truck stops and fast food. A mounted television provides entertainment during downtime, creating a small but cozy lounge environment. The wood and leather combination throughout the cabin elevates the entire feel, blending rugged tradition with refined comfort. One of the most impressive details is the dashboard. It beautifully combines classic analog gauges with integrated modern technology. You still get the timeless look of traditional dials, but with updated digital systems supporting performance monitoring and convenience features. It's the perfect balance between heritage and innovation, honoring the past without sacrificing the future. This particular 389 was designed for long-haul travel as a couple, and that intention shows in every detail. The layout prioritizes comfort, functionality, and livability. It's not just a sleeper. It's a shared space built for weeks on the road at a time. Volvo VNL Mega Sleeper, ARI Legacy. The Volvo VNL 64 T300 has always been known for its aerodynamic design, driver-focused engineering, and smooth highway performance. It's a truck built for efficiency and long-distance comfort right from the factory. But when you add a 180-inch ARI Legacy custom sleeper to the platform, it transforms from a capable long-haul tractor into a fully realized luxury home on wheels. From the outside, the VNL maintains its sleek, modern profile. The aerodynamic shaping reduces wind resistance, improves fuel economy, and keeps road noise lower than many traditional long-nose trucks. But the extended sleeper immediately sets this build apart. The added length gives it a stretched, purposeful stance that hints at something much bigger waiting behind the cab door. Under the hood, this machine is powered by the Volvo D13, a 13-litre inline-six engine delivering around 500 horsepower and more than 1,850 pounds-foot of torque. That power is paired with a 12-speed automated transmission designed for smooth, efficient shifting. The setup allows the truck to handle heavy loads while maintaining impressive fuel economy. Combined with a 6x4 drivetrain and full air suspension, the ride remains stable and controlled, even with the added weight of the massive sleeper. But performance is only half the story. Step into the ARI Legacy Sleeper, and everything changes. Measuring approximately 180 inches, that's 15 feet of dedicated living space. It feels more like stepping into a compact apartment than entering a truck cab. The kitchen area is fully equipped for real cooking. There's a stovetop, microwave, and a large residential-style refrigerator. Solid countertops provide practical prep space, while custom cabinetry offers generous storage. You're not limited to reheated meals. You can prepare proper food just like at home. Further inside, a comfortable queen-size bed anchors the sleeping area, designed for true rest during extended hauls. The insulation in the walls keeps the environment quiet and temperature-controlled, blocking out highway noise and extreme weather. Integrated climate control systems maintain consistent comfort year-round, whether parked in desert heat or winter cold. The entertainment setup includes a mounted television and sound system, turning downtime into relaxation time. LED lighting adds a warm ambience, highlighting the premium finishes throughout the interior. Wood accents and quality materials give the space a refined residential feel rather than a utilitarian one. And perhaps most impressive of all, a fully enclosed bathroom with a shower. Having a private bathroom on board changes the entire experience of life on the road. It means independence, convenience, and the ability to avoid crowded facilities during long trips. For some owners, builds like this aren't just upgrades, they're lifestyle decisions. There are drivers who have sold their houses to live full-time in trucks equipped with ARI Legacy sleepers.